Hello guys, how are you doing? In this video I will show you how to create custom form dynamic in WordPress. So to create HTML form dynamic you need to add plugins in WordPress. There are a lot of plugins available in WordPress. We will use contact form 7 to make the form dynamic. So first thing you need to install contact form 7. You can search contact form 7 because the reason behind is to use this plugin is it is very easy to use and customize in WordPress, and you can also create any form dynamic and also customize HTML and email in this plugin. You can see it has 5+ million active installations, so this is very widely used plugin. So after installing you can activate it. Then after activate you can see at the left sidebar contact menu, you can go to contact forms. There are already one default contact form is available. You can edit it like new form. You can change its name, and this is default HTML. You can save. We have this HTML in WordPress, so we will make this HTML dynamic, so it will come from here. So we have this HTML. So what will we do is to copy whole HTML and comment it, and paste here. Then you can see there this is a field of the text box. This is email field. This is subject field. You can also add any kind of field according to your form from here, like you can add number. You can see there are two options, pin box or slider. You can change the name like telephone number or anything. Default value, you can add default value. You can add range. Also there are drop down menus, there are checkboxes, there are different kind of option available in contact form 7. So we will enable this. So first thing what we need to add is we need text form, 2 text form, 1 drop down and 1 subject. So we will add first one kind of text box. We will change name to app name. This is validation. You can check box. You can add the placeholder like first name. Then you can add the class of your HTML form, like there is no any kind of class, but there is ID, so you can add ID here. Then you can copy it and remove this HTML. You can change this placeholder as per your HTML, because HTML should be the same as your WordPress form. Then you can copy this and paste it, because these both are the same text field. We just need to have change the ID and its name, last name. Then for this drop down menu you can add option from here like country, and option is Australia, Canada, USA. There is also hint available, one option per line. If you want to select multiple selections, then you can check the checkbox. If you want to just select one option, then you can keep it as is. Then click on insert text, then copy it, cut here, then remove it. This is text area, you can add from here. You can copy this placeholder, text area, file field, and insert text. Then you can remove this HTML tag. This is a default code of WordPress of this plugin. Now only thing you need to add submit button. You can add submit button from here. Label should be the same as a HTML form. Then remove this. Then also you need to remove this form because this form will be dynamic coming from this plugin file. So you can remove it, plugin. Then after this you can save it. Then to paste this form dynamic on the front end, you can copy this shortcode. All the plugins has some kind of shortcode, so you can paste it in the front end. This is a common function of the WordPress, so you can copy this function and just add the shortcode here, and also make sure you must echo this function, otherwise it will not show in the front end. So you can check in the front end, see your plug form is available here, first name, last name. This is dynamic now. If you click on it, it will process some validation you have added, so it's showing like this. In the backend there are a lot of settings available, like this kind of your form data should be sent to someone, like which email this should be sent. You can change this to your email. Then from you can also this from which email this email will be sent. You can change it like contact your site name. This is a dynamic coming from setting from this site title, and this is email, site admin email. You can remove it, .com, site title or site subject. This is also invalid because your email tag is not available in the form, so you can change it any kind of first name like, or you can also remove it. This is message body of the data of our form. You can change it like your tag, like app name. You can copy your app name and last name. This is your subject name. You can add your subject name. This is name, so you can change it here. You can also copy your country name here, like your country, and add here country. You can change it dynamic or static, like from your site name. These are some kind of option. If you want to add some HTML here, you can add it and then just check the checkbox. You can also send some file attachment here. If you want to send this email to multiple recipients or multiple persons, you can check this box and add it email here, or change the data as per your needs. So you can click on save button. Then the messages what here are some messages you can change from it, like thank you for a message waiting sent. You can also remove it and save. So there are lots of facilities or features available in this plugin. So this is very easy to use. In the additional setting there are some kind of additional setting, but I don't think you need to add it. So check it. Country you can select anything. Yes, subject, and click on submit. This will not be sent because I am using this form in localhost. So in the localhost you need to configure with SMTP. I will show you the next video how to send contact form 7 with SMTP. But if your site is live and your site is using simple mails, and this mail will be working on the live website, but it will not work in the local website. Okay, so if you have any confusion or queries, you can comment it as below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks guys. Please support us and subscribe us.